Hi, everybody. My name is Jacob McKenna, and I'm really excited to get into this Divided States of America U.S. Topics workshop with you today. I'm really excited to get into the election topics and talk about what sort of state America is in right now. I'm currently a teacher at the DIE. I teach these U.S. Topics workshops at schools in Heidelberg, and I also am a master's student at the Heidelberg Center for American Studies at Heidelberg University. So today's class is going to be a lot of discussion. We're going to look at some graphs, we're going to analyze images, we're going to analyze some text, we're going to sort of take it all in and talk about the election and where the US is right now. So it's super important that you participate. I want everybody in the class to also feel comfortable participating. Everything will be in English today, but if you don't know maybe one word in English, don't let that stop you from participating. We can all figure it out together and have a really productive discussion. Also should be noted, take notes along the way. If you have any other questions for me or feedback for the DIE as the presentation goes along, write those down. We'll have a little break in the middle where you can give that feedback and then a tool at the end as well. So enjoy.